We often try to stop negative thoughts, but that's actually really difficult. There's a much easier way. You don't remove the thought, you replace it. You ever caught a thought right as it begins to pull you out of where you actually want to be? It's really important. This moment matters a lot. The more you can catch this, the more you can do this. Because that's where the shift can happen. A lot of people get caught in lower energy thoughts, lower frequency states, stress, fear, frustration, doubt. And once that loop starts, it can build quickly. One thought becomes 5, and before you know it, your whole state has changed. Most people try to fight that or force it to go away. But it's very hard to remove a thought. It's much easier to replace one. That's the practice. Every time something comes up that pulls you out of alignment, you consciously replace it with something stronger, a higher energy state, gratitude, love, laughter, something real. Come back to that gratitude and love. A special person in your life, your kids, your partner, your pets, a moment that felt magical, something that made you feel alive and connected. The fact that you get to be here right now, something you can actually connect to and feel. Not just a thought, an actual shift in your state, because higher energy states have more pull and more strength. So when you introduce them, they begin to override the lower patterns. And this works better and better over time as you continue to practice it. Here's what that looks like. First, you simply notice the thought. No judgment, just awareness. You caught it. Then immediately, you replace it with something real. As we talked about, gratitude and love, something that shifts your state. And you actually feel it. And you do this every time you catch the loop. This is something you can do all day in real time as things come up, just replacing them one at a time. And over time, there's less and less that needs to be replaced. And over time, your baseline begins to shift. You spend less time getting pulled into those loops, so you're not trying to force it out. You're simply replacing it, one thought at a time, with that higher energy state. And over time, you just stop feeding what doesn't serve you, and you start coming back to where you actually want to be. And you begin to remember who you really are beneath those thoughts.